Hi, Onkar Singh Lohtham here, and in this video I'm going to discuss with you what is a digital product. So stay tuned. Now, what is a digital product? Now, this might sound as a very fundamental question, and we who are working in the digital product world, in the technology world, some things like this is taken for granted. We know what that is. We are working on softwares, we are working on creating applications and website applications and mobile applications. So we don't sometimes sit back and think, okay, what is a digital product actually? And what are the characteristics of a digital product? So this is going to the very basics. So if you are starting in this digital world journey, or you want to have a career in this journey, or you're already an expert in this world, doesn't matter. It is just a point of discussion I want to have. I've just put some 5 pointers, the A, B, C, D and E of a digital product, which I think helps us take a step back and understand what are the characteristics that form this digital product or a digital service. So number one, I am calling that A is for access. So if we think that what is a digital product, is it your Netflix application or the mobile game that you play or the Microsoft toolkits that you have on your desktop, and what is that, or the other applications that you use like Uber or Uber Eats or Just Eat. So how do you access the digital product? Now when we discuss about it, let's think about a digital product versus a physical product. A physical product mean the lights, fan, chair, table, shoes, shirt. So these are your physical products that you can touch and feel, and they have got a different characteristics as compared to a digital product. So how do you access a digital product makes it different. So to access a digital product, just think about it. You might have to go to a website and put a URL, and you type it in and you go to that website or go to that application, or you go to your mobile application and you access it through an app. So that is the way you access a digital product as compared to you can pick and lift a physical product. So that's one. Second is, how do you actually build a digital product? Now as compared to a physical product that gets manufactured in a factory, in an industry, or inside a small cottage firm, people are building it using physical raw materials. While in the case of a digital product, it gets built either in a startup firm, a small room, a cafeteria, in big offices and organizations where the development team, the software engineering team is building that digital product, and the raw material is all the information and the requirements and the specifications, technical architecture, etc. And the raw material for the final ingredient is the code, the piece of code that is being written, and that's how you build a digital product. Very interesting if you compare it with a physical product where the raw material is brick, cement, water, wood, etc., plastic, nylon, etc., and textiles if you are in the fashion industry. The third element is, how do you consume and why do you consume a digital product? If you are using a table or a chair, we know you need to have a dining space. You go and you sit on the chair and have your dinner, breakfast. So there is a purpose. Why do you use that physical product? Now in terms of a digital product, why are you consuming it? So you're using it either for doing any transaction, a transaction of maybe you are looking at your banking application, you want to transact something, or you are on an e-commerce site, you want to buy something, or you are on an information portal where you are trying to get some information and download certain information which you need, or you are on a job site portal where you want to access what jobs are available and you apply for those jobs. So it's mostly, in my opinion, the way you consume a digital product is to have that transaction of information or transaction of services, and that's how you consume a digital product. Now the fourth one is dimension. This is again very interesting. If we compare it with a physical product will have a length, width, height, maybe a density and a volume. So if you purchase anything from Amazon, or you go to your supermarket and you purchase a physical product, you will see there is a weight to that product and a length, width, height, etc., and you see the dimension. And since it is a physical product, you can touch and feel and see there is a dimension to that. However, if you just sit back and think, What is the dimension of a digital product? Probably nothing. It's in the ether. It's a piece of code. It's an application. It's sitting in the cloud somewhere. You can't touch and feel it. However, the dimension that I think, in my opinion, could be something like, what is the memory, the RAM for this particular application? So if you want to download a particular software like Skype or Word, it tells you that your system needs to have this much memory to actually store this application on your desktop or on your mobile. So in my opinion, that is the dimension of a digital product. And finally, if I go to the E is how do you earn from a digital product? Now this is very interesting as compared from a physical product. If you have created a physical product like a lamp or a chair or a table, that is one physical product, has got one price, and you sell it and it's done. You do that transaction, you take the money, give that product. While in the case of a digital product, there are various models that you have. So for example, your Netflix, that application, that digital product has been created once, and then as a subscription model with a license fee, it's being used by multi-million users, the same product, and you are earning through that subscription model. The other way is, if you take the example of your Microsoft Excel or PPT, you have got two options. Either you subscribe to the Office 365 subscription and you pay on a yearly, monthly basis, or you can purchase that software by paying it once, and that software is yours. So there are a few interesting ways that you earn by creating that product once, which is your digital product, and you sell the same digital product multiple times over and over to your multi-million subscribers. And that makes it quite different to how we are used to creating and selling a physical product. So in a nutshell, if I just as a discussion, I put this topic out, that what is a digital product, and if we compare it with a physical product, where do we see the differences? And these are the 5 items that I just wanted to share with you, the A, B, C, D and E of looking at the characteristics of a digital product. Now thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and if you want more information, please go to our website digitalskillsmastery.com. Thank you.